FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, what I wanted to do is I wanted to break down something that I think a lot of traders struggle with, and that is simply consistency. All right, I'm going to share with you guys 7 steps or 7 ways that can help you be more consistent or find consistency in the market. All right, so let's get into this, guys. The first thing, all right, that I want to share with you guys is you have to have a proven risk management plan. So a risk management plan is simply a plan that you have in place, okay, that allows you to manage your risk. Because at the end of the day, you cannot be consistent in your trading if you don't know how to control your money. And risk management is all about controlling money. If you don't have any money, how can you trade? All right, so that's the first thing. The second thing is know your risk before trading. You should know what your risk is before every single trade. Also, use a simple tool as a risk management calculator. If you use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, there are hundreds of risk management calculators that you can use to manage your risk. Hell, there's one on baby pips that's free. Just Google risk management calculator. Okay? And there are hundreds of them that will just go ahead. You literally put in the data, the ask and bid price, you put in your lot size or how much you want to risk per trade, and it'll give you the lot size to actually trade. All right, so use a simple calculator, guys, to help you better understand what lot size you should be using for your specific trade based on your account size and also based on how much you're willing to risk per trade. Learn to limit your losses. Remember that you can control the risk in every single trade. You control this. This is the one thing that you have control over, is the risk. You control how much of your account you're putting up. You control the lot size. You cannot control which way the market goes, up or down. But you can control your risk on how much you put into the market and how much of a lot size you're putting up. So learn to limit your losses. Do not babysit on losing trades. Why do you think that so many beginner traders have this issue where as soon as you're up on a trade, you take profit too quickly, but yet when you're losing a trade, you're willing to let the trade run for 4, 5, 6 hours? Why is that? Ask yourself, why is that? You're real quick to take profits, but you're not real quick to stop your losses. Think about that. Build a trading plan around your style of trading. This is huge. If you want to be consistent at trading, you have to understand what style of trading do you enjoy the most. What style of trading benefits you the most? Are you someone that likes to hold trades for several days? Are you like someone that likes to scalp on the 3-5 minute charts? Know the style of trading that you want to do and build a plan around that. Listen, there are hundreds upon hundreds of strategies out there. Most of them fail because they're not tested, so you don't know if they work or not. So you got to find a strategy that actually works, number one, And two, build a plan around that suits your style of trading. Have confidence in your trading plan. Essentially, if you don't have confidence in your trading plan, what are you trading to begin with? Your trading plan should be very simple to follow, and it should be a plan that you know works. How do you know that a trading plan works? Well, you've back tested the plan to know that it works. You future tested the plan. So you've tested it on a live environment, on a demo account, or with a small live account. So you know that that specific plan does work. So if you know that the plan works over an extended period of time, why would you not follow that plan? That plan, as long as you follow it, because you know what it spits out over a year, 2 year period, will, number one, give you consistency because you're actually following the plan that you've written down, but also will give you confidence in your trading. Never stop evolving. So essentially, never stop learning. Never stop learning. You should always be learning something. Okay? Always be learning. How can I make my trading easier? How can I learn something that can enhance my current strategy? What are some, other people that I can learn from, that I could add to my trading plan? That doesn't change my style of trading, but just can add to it. So never stop evolving. And the last thing is learn patience. Probably one of the biggest things that every retail trader has to learn is patience. We are very impatient people, right? Most human beings are very not patient. We want everything now. Gimme, 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 take. We want everything now. We don't want to wait for anything. But if you want to find consistency, you have to be patient, because not everything that looks like a trade setup is a trade setup. And so this is where coming into having confidence in your trading plan, having a good risk management plan, limiting your losses, building a trading plan around your style of trading, all of this helps with your patience, because you're looking for very specific things based on whatever plan you have for trading. And if it's not in your trading plan, then you shouldn't be trading it, which in turn helps provide the patience that you need to wait for the right setups that you are specifically trading for. All right? So these are 7 simple ways, guys, that you can find consistency within your trading. I hope that this short video helped. We will see you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the week of trading, guys. Guys, if you enjoy the content that we produce on this channel, if you find value in that content, please consider joining us in our next FXN Masterclass. You can see the date that our next class will be held. All of the information is linked below in the description of this video. We hope to see you in the next Masterclass so we can help you reach all of your trading goals, guys. Have a great rest of your day.